Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change your fuel filter on a Dodge Ram 3500. First, gather all necessary tools like a ratchet, sockets, and a drain pan. Make sure you have a new fuel filter and fresh O-rings ready. Always prioritize safety by wearing protective eyewear and gloves throughout the process. This preparation ensures a smooth and efficient filter replacement. Next, locate the fuel filter housing, typically found on the driver's side of the engine compartment. Position a suitable drain pan directly underneath the filter to catch any draining fuel. Carefully open the drain valve, often a yellow cap or petcock, with a quarter turn to allow the fuel to drain completely. This step prevents spills and makes the process cleaner. Once the fuel has drained, use a 28mm or 1 1/8 inch socket to carefully remove the filter housing cap. Extract the old filter element, then thoroughly clean the housing. Replace the old O-rings with new ones, lubricating them with fresh diesel fuel. Insert the new filter, ensuring it's correctly oriented, then reattach and tighten the housing cap. After installing the new filter, turn your ignition to the on position for about 15 seconds, then off, repeating this process at least 6 times. This primes the fuel system, pushing air out. Once primed, start your engine and carefully inspect for any fuel leaks around the filter housing. A quick check now can prevent bigger issues later. Also, for staying hydrated on the go, check out the Owala water bottle and other great deals linked in the description below.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.